Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2014 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Short Box Sport. This one's got all the bells and whistles in it, my friends. One owner, no accidents, clear Carfax, passed the 100-point inspection with flying colors. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty that's good nationwide. You can upgrade it very reasonably. It is maximum steel, which is that awesome color with all the pearl in it that looks different colors and different lights. Black heated and cooled leather, sunroof, navigation, remote start, heated steering wheel, Alpine audio, you name it. Spray and liner, hardtop, power window. Check out those big aggressive knobby tires, lots of rubber there. Got the big tow package with the big mirrors. Yeah, just a nice clean truck, low miles for the year. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.